Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to place that we call a fairgrounds, but I'm going to do some recall with Chabu. I'm going to do that every day because I need to start working on that with him. But let's get on with the video.
Come. Yes. For the most part, he's always staying by me. Never really, per se, trails off. Like, at all. But don't drive me for a flexi leash. I don't necessarily agree with him either. But there's like nothing over here. Look at all that. And I trust him enough to be on a flexi leash. My other dog, though, no, I would not trust being on a flexi leash, but I do trust him. Such a good boys. Thank you. Go play. Go. Let's go wander. Go wander. It's okay. Come. Yes. Tree's right there. Come. Yes, good boy. Come. Very good boys. Go explore. He's such a good dog. He's such a good boys. Come. Very good boys. Go explore. Oh, can't zoom in. I don't want you so close to the road. Yeah, that's what it is. Just let him explore. Let him sniff. Let him say, come. Good boys. I think every dog should learn this because it's for their safety a lot of times. Like if your dog runs out the door or anything like that, explore. If your dog runs out the door or anything like that, it's better for them to learn this command and know it really good. It can save their life one day. There is in fact other dogs over there, but they seem to be respecting us. Hey, come. Boy, focus, heel. And they seem to be respecting us. So as long as they respect us, sit. Sit. As long as they respect us, I don't have a problem with them. Focus. Good boys. Come. Yes. And there's other dogs over there where he was going towards. The dog's going over there. Such a good boys. Good boys. This other dog was over there. And he's doing so good. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud of you. Good boy, explore. I'm staying away from them. You're my distance. Come. Yes. Come. Yes. Very good boys. You can run towards those dogs any minute, but he's not. Good boys. Good, very good boy. He likes smelling the air. It's weird.